Introducing closed-shoot wireless 2.4 GHz USB Gamepad controller. The Gamepad controller measures 12 by 16 by 6.5 cm. The device weighs 212 grams. The Gamepad comes in black. It has 2 analog sticks, 8-way directional D-pad, 4 action buttons, 2 triggers and 2 shoulder buttons. It has a rubberized textured grip for better grip during intense gameplay. No external drivers are needed to use the gamepad. Just plug the dongle into the PC, switch on the controller and you're good to go. The gamepad automatically switches off once not in use. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.